Guys, I just lost my deposit of almost $1,000 due to bad signals, and there are $30 left in my account. What should I do in this case? Now I'll try to recover my funds and show you the strategy that I use in such situations. I think it will be useful for many, but if you're a beginner, it can also help you turn a small capital into a big one. I don't want to waste our time, so I should set up as quickly as possible. So let's try, and let's just select M5 on time frame, candles on chart types. All right, and right now let's set up our indicators. ADX, Fractal, and Moving Average. All right. For the fractal, let's use 3 on periods with the style save. Moving average 15, simple moving average. White on style, ADX, just change this to 8, okay, yellow, green, and red. Okay? In general, this is all I need to start trading. So I will be back soon with a good opportunity for us, with a good entry. All right? I would like to make as much net profit as possible, so I would take risks. I'm using maximum amounts, it's all my $30. I choose the expiration time, right here in 5 minutes, and open and sell trades, okay? And click on it. So now, hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. All right? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. What is the first step that we need to pay attention? Is this a downtrend? We got the red candle, the fractal, the green fractal, that means for us a downtrend. Okay, we got this candle that already crossing through the moving average line. Is the second thing that I need to pay attention. Okay, and right now we need to look and pay attention on the ADX line. When it got the green line passing through the red one, as like here, that means a downtrend. Okay, but guys, let's remember my first step. I wouldn't have started looking at the indicators if the red candle hasn't crossing the white line of moving average. Okay, right here. This is the first step, and the analysis began with this. So just pay attention when you have a crossing line with the candle, with the moving average line. Therefore, the very first step, as stronger the rise or fall, the most likely that signal will be profitable. Okay? So I'll be back soon with the results. 10 seconds remaining, guys, and we got this. And 3, 2, 1, and right now, right here, my deposit has increased by $27. Okay, that it's great start session. So let's keep with that and wait, and just keep looking for another good entry. Now right here we have the same situation, but let's try to increase my amount to $4. And again, we have an uptrend. We have the red fractal, that means for us an uptrend. Okay, don't forget the first step, that pay attention on the candle, and right now on the ADX. Okay, click on it. So we got the ADX line, the moving average, and the fractal. Okay? Now I will show each element again, but to give you more benefits, I will tell you other facts. I think you understand and know. I really hope that you understand that it's my first trade was unprofitable. I would have lost my $30 and could not continue. Yeah, it was very dangerous step, but I knew what I was doing and I was ready for it. If your capital is small or you are already at a loss, do not this. Please guys, do not this. It's better to start with minimal amounts and trade very slowly and carefully. You need a system and plan. You need to act without excitement and increase amounts with it doubling of capital. And then have a chance to return or earn something. Okay? But I think you got my point right now. I really risk every trade now to make more profits. Sometimes I'm low look, but sometimes I'm not. So 10 seconds remaining. Let's wait for this. Let's wait. And look this guys. 3 seconds, 2, 1. Boom. $95 in 5 minutes. Guys, that's really good results in 5 minutes. Okay? But right now, I almost hit the 100. Let's reduce the risk a little. I've already made a good profit and now I just want to take a couple of trades. Alright? Let's try to then find another good opportunity for us. Okay, we got the same situation, right? We got the crossing line right here on the ADX. We got the candle that crossing the moving average, and we got the green fractal. Just click on the sell button, right? Alright guys, I'm not surprised with that, I'm not surprised, okay? I was looking the first and the second trades. But here, look at this. This is a loss, unfortunately. Yeah, just bad luck. And I was ready for this. This is absolutely normal. And the main thing now is to find a better situation, okay? It's not another fake. So let's try to do this, or less entry. But now we're gonna use all my amount again, now $75. So again, very simple, very beautiful, and very great signal. Guys, look at this, no comments. The trade time is 5 minutes, $75. And again, I'm not I'm working the same way as explained. So step by step, let's just watch for the trade. It's profitable. And this concludes my word. 5 seconds remaining. And look this guys, look this again. Today my balance has increased almost 5 times. Look at my balance. Guys, of course we're not able to return the entire loss in 1 hour. It's impossible. But I have already made good money and it's good strategy for everyone. Who wants to start and do this? Okay? Write your opinion in the comments and I wish you good luck, wish you more trade sessions, wish you more profits and wish you good trading strategy.